Have you ever added up how much you lose every year because of rework and audits that stall production? This isn't just a minor operational issue. It directly impacts your company's profit and competitiveness. But what if I told you it's possible to avoid rework caused by incorrect documents or higher raw material costs due to failures in quality control? Delivery delays because the audit found a nonconformity are also preventable. With SoftExpert Suite, you get the support you need to eliminate the root causes of these problems. Audits are approved with reports generated in seconds. With the operational risk dashboard, risks are anticipated before they become problems. Integration with AutoCAD and PLM automatically synchronizes project versions, preventing errors. All of this without relying on spreadsheets or luck. With SoftExpert Suite, this company doesn't just produce. It ensures quality, cuts costs, and eliminates failures in a measurable way. Schedule a demo and take your company to the next level.